There are already literally thousands of AI tools customized to endless use cases. ChatGPT barely scratches the surface. Over the past few years, I've been doing a massive deep dive, testing out hundreds of them, and I want to highlight the most useful ones that I found. Now, here's the truth: not every AI tool is worth your time or your money, but when you find the right ones, total game changer. Think less stress, more productivity, and real creative freedom. I tested tools for everything from content creation and design to marketing, project management, and building full on businesses. Some were completely free, others were worth every penny, some not so much. And I didn't just test tools, I built toolkits and stacks. I tried hybrid strategies, stacking free tools like Midjourney and Canva with paid powerhouses like Zapier and ChatGPT. The right combo can 10 times your workflow without draining your wallet. So if you're trying to build smarter, scale faster, or just make your life easier, stick around. I'm about to save you a whole lot of trial and error. I'm only going to focus on the good, not the bad. Let's break down the ones that actually delivered. ChatGPT, a chatbot that learns through your prompts, answers questions, and writes different kinds of content. Perplexity, AI powered search and research that you can interact with cited sources for user queries. Claude, a conversational chatbot that can link to your Google Drive, respond to emails, and organize your content. 11 Labs, clone any voice and create realistic and unique AI voices and audio content. Udio, AI music generator that creates songs with realistic sounding vocals from text prompts. Midjourney creates any image with a distinctive artistic style from natural language descriptions. Manus, this tool does research, can make decisions for you, and handle complex tasks without human interaction. Runway ML, a platform that offers AI powered tools for creative professionals working with video and image production. Cursor, a code editor designed to boost developer productivity and make vibe coding easier. Character, create and interact with AI powered chatbots customized to have specific personalities and behaviors. Copilot, AI companion designed to enhance productivity and creativity across various Microsoft platforms. That's it. Look, not every AI tool is worth your time, but the right ones, they'll level up your business, your content, and your entire workflow. The tools I shared today are the real superstars and the ones that actually do what they say and help you work smarter, not harder. And remember, AI is not replacing you, it's amplifying you. It's a productivity hack. If you want more gems like this, tools, tips, and real AI talk, then you need to tap in. Subscribe to AI Flow now. The link is in our bio.